This is the new AtomOS Tiny11 Windows build, the world's smallest Windows 11 build ever created. With only 2.5 gigabytes disk usage, which is 11 times smaller than stock Windows 11. So let's see how is it the world's smallest Windows build. At first, this is the AnkTech Windows boot. Keep clicking Next. Choose your disk drive, then click Next. The entire installation process is completed in under 1 minute from the start to fully reaching the user desktop. At first, as you can see, the build comes with Start All Back, which is this custom Windows Start menu pre-installed. The build is based on Windows 11 25H2, which is the lastest. Comes with 2.5 gigabytes. Disk usage, which is 11 times smaller than stock. Windows 11. The build ISO files is 1.4 gigabytes, which is a world record for a stable Windows build. The build comes with zero bloatware and unwanted Microsoft apps. "48 CPU processes and 1 gigabyte RAM usage, which is amazing. Now let's see the post-install folder. As you can see, the first file is a shortcut for downloading Ethernet and Wi-Fi drivers. The second is for motherboard details. The third restarts you to the BIOS. The fourth is for creating a restore point. The fifth file helps you to disable the user account control. The next scripts are for deleting Windows temp files and enabling paging files, which fixes some problems for low-end devices. In this tweaks folder, you will find a good amount of performance and visual tweaks. I'm sure you will use like the processes destroyer, C disk compression bat, and GPU tweaks. This is some tools you will like. In Reverts folder, you will find the Microsoft Store installer and some bats for enabling disabled services. After that, you will find Project Atom wallpapers and both Project Atom and AnkTech websites links.